In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a website template to Wix. If you're looking to give your website a fresh start or simply wish to explore new design possibilities, adding a template is an excellent way to get started without the hassle of designing from scratch. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, make sure you're signed into your Wix account. If you're not signed in, head over to the Wix website and enter your login details. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard, which is the control center for all your web projects on Wix. Now from the dashboard, look out for the templates option. This page is your gateway to a plethora of design inspirations, showcasing a wide array of templates to suit different needs and styles. Once you're on the templates page, take your time to browse through the categories. Wix organizes these templates into various categories such as business, photography, online store, or personal, just to name a few. If you have a specific vision in mind for your site, you can also use the search function to find template designs that align with your theme or industry. This browsing process is not just about aesthetics. Think about how each template's layout will work for the content you want to showcase on your site. After you found a template that piques your interest, you'll want to take a closer look. Simply hover over the template you're considering and you'll see the option to edit it. By clicking on edit, the template will open up in the Wix editor. This is where you can truly make the template your own, customizing everything from fonts and colors to images and text to best represent your brand or personal style. The Wix editor is user-friendly and offers a lot of flexibility, allowing you to drag and drop elements, insert new pages, and even integrate apps that can enhance your site's functionality. Whether you're a design novice or a seasoned creator, the editor empowers you to bring your ideas to life with relative ease. Remember, at any point you can preview the changes to get a real-time look at how your site will appear to visitors. Once you're satisfied with your edits and customizations, don't forget to save your work. If you're ready to take your site live, hit that publish button and share your brand new site with the world. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward guide to adding a template to your Wix site. With the right template, you can give your online presence a stunning new look and captivate your audience like never before. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.